I need you to look at your closet differently for the next few minutes, because those old shirts you were thinking about donating might actually be future fashion pieces hiding in plain sight. Some of these upcycled shirt ideas are so creative that it is honestly hard to believe they started as basic button-ups, oversized tees, or thrift store finds. Today, we are diving into 50-plus upcycled shirt ideas that completely transform ordinary clothing into stylish, wearable, and surprisingly, high-end looking pieces. Some are easy beginner-friendly flips, some are genius little sewing hacks, and a few of them made me stop and think, okay, wait, I would actually wear that right now. I was scrolling Pinterest, finding inspiration and saving ideas like crazy, because the creativity people are putting into these transformations is seriously impressive. I linked the Pinterest board in the description so you can scroll through the ideas, patterns, and inspiration for yourself. And I want you to vote on your favorite transformation, because once we hit 100 votes, I might recreate the winning idea in my own style. Whether you love thrift flips, sewing, DIY fashion, or just seeing creative before and after transformations, these ideas might completely change how you see old shirts forever. So get comfortable, because some of these transformations are about to make you want to raid your own closet immediately. One of the most unexpected things about upcycling shirts is that it slowly teaches you to trust your own ideas instead of constantly looking for permission to be creative. In the beginning, a lot of people hesitate because they are worried the project will not turn out right, or they think they need expensive supplies, professional sewing skills, or some perfectly planned design before they even begin. Most great ideas begin as experiments. A sleeve gets moved, a hem gets shortened, fabric gets layered, or an oversized shirt suddenly turns into a completely different silhouette. That process builds confidence because every finished project proves that your imagination can create something real. Even projects that do not turn out exactly how you pictured them still teach you something valuable about sewing, design, and problem solving. Upcycling also changes the way you see fashion because you are no longer depending entirely on stores to decide what is stylish or wearable. Instead, you begin creating clothing that reflects your own personality and vision. A thrifted shirt stops being just a shirt and starts becoming a blank canvas for DIY fashion ideas, sewing creativity, and personal style. That freedom is what makes upcycled clothing feel so rewarding compared to mass-produced fashion. You are not just buying trends, you are building something unique with your own hands. Start recognizing colors that work together and design details that make a piece feel more like you. The more projects you create, the easier it becomes to trust those creative instincts instead of doubting yourself every step of the way. That confidence does not stay inside the sewing room either. Creativity has a way of affecting how you approach other parts of life because you begin realizing that ideas do not have to be perfect before they deserve a chance. Sometimes the best transformations start with uncertainty and a willingness to simply try something different. As your confidence grows, the creative process becomes less about perfection and more about exploration. That is when upcycling shirts becomes truly exciting because there are endless ways to reinvent even the simplest piece of clothing. One oversized button-up can become a fitted blouse, a patchwork top, a layered dress detail, or a completely redesigned fashion piece depending on where your imagination takes it. The more you sew, the more your personal style starts showing up naturally in your projects without you even trying to force it. That is one of the most rewarding parts of DIY fashion and clothing transformation, because your work begins carrying your personality instead of looking identical to everything sold in stores. If you want more sewing inspiration and creative project ideas after this video, there is a playlist linked in the description filled with additional upcycling videos, thrift flip ideas, and sewing tutorials from previous projects. There are also helpful sewing products linked below, including sewing machine essentials, fabric scissors, sewing needles, and beginner-friendly tools that can help make the upcycling process smoother and more enjoyable. Every finished project becomes proof that your creativity is worth trusting, even if the idea started small or uncertain. The more you experiment, the more you realize that creativity grows through action, not perfection. If you are enjoying these upcycled shirt ideas and DIY sewing transformations, make sure to like and subscribe for more fashion upcycling videos, thrift flip inspiration, and creative sewing content. And when this video ends, check out the next video because there are even more creative shirt transformations and sewing ideas waiting for you there. And I will see you in the next one.